How to fix Seekbar in Windows Media Player not working in Windows October 10, 2018 update. FYI, after installing the latest Windows October 10, 2018 update, KB4467708, OS build 17763.134, you may not be able to use the Seekbar in Windows Media Player when playing specific files. Possible solution: Step 1, run your Windows in its safe mode. Here's how: https://goo.gl/muckq5. Go to View Update History, find KB4467708 that was installed on November 13, 2018, 4:15 p.m. Pacific Time, then try removing that hotfix manually. Step 2, make the best of the show or hide updates troubleshooter package to temporarily prevent the latest Windows October 10, 2018 update from reinstalling on your Windows PC, https://goo.gl/tv14zq. Furthermore, we recommend that you do not attempt to manually update using the Update Now button or the Media Creation tool from the Microsoft Software Download website until this issue is resolved. Step 3, try some free alternatives to Windows Media Player that support multiple file formats, https://goo.gl/mnfmej, https://goo.gl/mhnen, or https://goo.gl/wxsen, or https://goo.gl/mecj3x. Other voices on the web. 1. Open the Windows Media Player Settings Troubleshooter in Control Panel. 2. Uninstall Windows Media Player and turn Windows features on or off, restart the computer, and then reinstall.